Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall updates on Windows 11. Did a recent Windows 11 update cause issues? No worries, today I'll show you how to uninstall updates and roll back to the versions you love quick and easy. So first you can open settings by pressing Windows plus I and then go to the Windows update. And here find the update history, and then you can just scroll down and click on uninstall update, this one in here, and a new window will open showing the recent updates. Here you can just select the update you want to remove, like quality or feature update. Let's say this one, the security update. You can just tap on uninstall and confirm and wait for the process to finish, and your PC will restart automatically. And if uninstalling doesn't fix the problem, you can also try going back to the previous versions of Windows. So that's how you can uninstall Windows 11 updates and fix update issue fast. If this helped, like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!